Hi everybody, welcome back to Jaffa Cooks, and today I'm going to be making simple, nice, crunchy croutons. And these croutons can be used for your soups, or used for chicken Caesar salad, just basically anything that allows a bit more carb into your diet, but where you can refrain from having lots of it. So for me, I tend to use croutons for my salad. I've got a thick slice of brown bread, and you could use white if you want. Older bread the better. So the older bread allows it to then, it doesn't become stodgy or doesn't clump up when you introduce the oil. So all I'm going to do is cut this up in squares, and then I'll just introduce some elements, pop it into the oven about 160 to 170 degrees for about 20 minutes, or when they're nice and crispy, and take them out, and that's about it really. But before we start, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I'd love you to do so. Click on the bell icon, get the latest updates, find out what I'm up to. DM me, do follow my recipes, and tell me how they turn out, please. Okay, so take your bread, cut them into bite sizes. Just depends on how big your bite size is now. Right, so there's my bread. Next, I'll take the oil and then just ensure that it's not too oily, but there's enough oil for all the bread to be coated lightly with enough olive oil. I'm just going to give that a quick mix. And they don't have to be totally covered, just so that they've got a little bit of olive oil. When they do start cooking in the oven, they do actually become nice and crispy. So I've got some pepper, which I'm going to pop in, some garlic salt, and some oregano. And that's really about it. These should turn out a lot better than ones that you buy from the shops. They're homemade. They've got your best olive oil. They've got garlic salt. They've got pepper. They've got nice herb in it as well. And all you're going to do is now cook them off in the oven. I'm going to pop them into a tray. Just make sure that they're separated, that there's enough room between them. And what I'll do is I'll come back in about 20 minutes and show you what they taste like. See you later. Hi everybody, so my croutons are done. They look nice and golden. I'm just going to try one out. Perfect. They really taste nice. Try them with your soup, your chicken Caesar salad, or with anything else. Let me know how it goes. I'll see you again. Take care for now. Bye.